Back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my steamed veggies, and this is one of the easiest and quickest ways to get vegetables onto your plates. So here I have some string beans, pumpkin, cabbage, bell peppers, carrot, some grated ginger, onion, black pepper, olive oil, paprika, and complete seasonings. So let's put it together. And into a pot with boiling water, I'm going to add some complete seasoning. You can also add salt. I'm not going to be using much salt into my vegetables, so I'm going to add the pumpkin first. You know, pumpkin is a bit tougher, depends on the type of pumpkin that you use. And you want to bring this to a boil for at least 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, go right ahead and add your cabbage and the rest of the vegetables. And this do not take long to put together. Once I add them in here, I'm just going to take my spoon and just try to submerge them under the boiling water. Turn the fire off from under the pot, cover the pot, and let this sit there for about 5 long minutes. Remember, no more fire, no more heat under that pot. So after 5 minutes of sitting there, I'm going to pour it out into my colander, making sure I get all of that water out from my vegetables. And that's it. Pour it into your serving dish and over onto my stove here again. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil gets hot, I'm going to add my grated ginger along with my onions, and you can use any type of onions, all right? And we don't want to overcook our onions also. I just love my vegetables on the crispier side. Just toss it around for a minute or a minute and a half. That ginger brings in that flavor. I love ginger on my steamed veggies. And I should have apologized from the beginning with my voice, guys. I was coming down with a cold. It's now going away. That is why you wasn't hearing from me or seeing any videos, but that's all right. Pour that goodness right over your vegetables, and there you have it. Your steamed veggies are all ready to serve. Give it a try, guys. It's just simple and easy to put together, very healthy. Just toss it around, making sure that ginger and that olive oil seeps right through. I also did sprinkle some black pepper over the top. And there you have it. Easy and nice, the easiest and quickest way to get your vegetables done, guys. So this is one of the easiest and quickest ways to get your vegetables onto your plate. So go cook it, and healthy eating. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.